This is the control panel to the Octagon 200CL, our flagship sieve shaker. Very much like the Octagon 200 with additional features. The sieving time is programmed up and down. The amplitude can be programmed. Now this is controlled. So if we want to sieve at 1.5 millimeters, we can do that. And this is adjustable in tenths of millimeters right up to 3 millimeters. So let's put it at 1.5. We can have 2 programs for intervals, and assuming that the sieving time is correct, we start. The sieving time counts down until it's finished. Meanwhile, I can also adjust the amplitude up and down during the sieving process.